Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Born Pretty Magnetic Gel Polish, the 9D Cat Magnetic Eye Gel Nail Polish in this stunning blue-purple holographic rainbow shade. If you're looking for a gel polish that brings a dazzling magnetic effect with a holographic twist, this might just be the one for you. First off, let's talk about what makes this Born Pretty Gel Polish stand out. It comes in a 15 ml bottle and features a professional cat eye gel formula that allows for endless creative possibilities. The magnetic particles inside create that iconic cat eye effect, which shifts beautifully depending on the light and angle, producing a holographic rainbow sparkle that's sure to catch eyes everywhere. Application is designed to be easy for both salon professionals and DIY nail enthusiasts. When applied properly with a base coat and a top coat, this gel polish promises long-lasting wear, up to 21 days, with an intense, glossy shine. The formula is known for its high pigmentation, meaning you get that brilliant, reflective finish with fewer coats, though you might want to build up a bit to fully achieve the effect. One of the important aspects of this polish is its health-conscious formulation. It's made with low odor and contains no harsh ingredients or adhesives that could damage your nails. Of course, you should avoid direct contact with your eyes or mouth and keep it away from children and pregnant women as a precaution. For the best results, you'll want to use a full-size UV or LED lamp to cure each layer properly, which helps enhance the longevity and shine. The magnet included in similar cat eye gel polish kits lets you manipulate the magnetic particles to create those signature streaks and patterns, giving your nails a truly customized look. If you enjoy experimenting with nail art, this polish is perfect for adding a holographic, dimensional effect over base colors. Many nail artists recommend trying it over dark or black shades to make the magnetic effect really pop, but it can be layered over various colors for unique results. This polish also makes a thoughtful gift for nail art lovers, especially around holidays or special occasions, as it offers a fun and creative way to elevate any manicure. While the Born Pretty 9D Cat Magnetic Eye Gel Nail Polish shines in many areas, always remember to store it in a cool, dry place away from sunlight to maintain its quality. To sum up, if you want a gel polish that combines the allure of a cat eye magnetic effect with holographic rainbow shimmer, all packed in a long-lasting, easy-to-use formula, this Born Pretty Gel Polish is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.